Nothing's wrong with my Ego Lawnmower. Works like a champ 5 years later. There's a link in the description. Get one on Amazon, get it delivered to your door in a couple days. You can't go wrong with the Ego Lawnmower. Hey, it's Kurt back with another review. Hey, there's nothing wrong with my Ego battery powered lawnmower. I got it the summer of 2017. It's the only lawnmower that I've used on this 1/4 acre property. It works fabulous. The only thing I've had to do was last year off of Amazon, I got a blade sharpener and I sharpened it myself with a drill. I'll include a picture of that, maybe even a link to where you can get that. It's very easy to do. No spark plug mess around, no tune-up, no small engine repair guy coming around messing around. What else? I don't have to screw around with the carburetor. I don't have to put additives in the gas. I don't have to change the oil. I don't have the stench and the smell of engine, oil, and gas in the shed or anywhere on this property. It's easy. You charge it up. It's just a no-brainer. It's been worth the money. I would highly recommend it. It's been dependable. It works just like it did the day that I got it from Amazon about 5 years ago. It just works. Actually, it works just the same. It's just the same. The bag that you see here, I only tend to use it in the fall when I do the lazy man's way of raking leaves. And what I'll do is once we get enough leaves on the ground, I put the bag and I'll mow until the bag gets full, and I'll dump it in the refuse green container, and then I'll keep going back and forth until I get all the leaves. Other than that, I just leave the bag off. But the bag works great when you're trying to clean up the leaves in the fall, so perfect for that. Don't know what else to say about this lawnmower. I give it 5 stars or 10 stars, whatever you want to give it. It's just the best for the money. I highly recommend that you get the Ego Lawnmower battery powered. It just has a lot of power. This is a real review by me. I've owned this for 5 years. I plan on owning it for the next 5 years. It just works really, really well. This is a real review. You can get it from Amazon. I'll include my Amazon affiliate link below. You just click it, get right to it. I bet if you got it today or purchased it, you'd actually have it at your door within the next 3 or 4 days. Perfect for high grass, thick grass, any kind of grass. It cuts through wet grass. It is a great machine. This is Kurt Thompson. Get this lawnmower. You'll be thanking me. You might want to thank me in person that I actually gave you this advice to get this lawnmower. I'll see you in the next review.
Thank you.